I tried making a football game from scratch after exams, but honestly, it was way harder than I expected. I wasted weeks on camera setups, AI, and other basic stuff, so I switched plans. I found a Unity project with the basics already built in. I fixed the camera to the classic football view, and now I'm improving again step by step. I'm calling it good football. Also, I've changed my upload frequency. I'll be posting every 2 weeks now, so I can deliver more polished, better edited videos. Game development is full of small problems that's harder, but that's the fun part. Each fix teaches me something new, and I'm enjoying the process. Updates coming soon.